With gold and silver seeing another violent sell-off. Wednesday, they're down again today. What was interesting, though, is that overnight they actually were up on physical buying, but once Europe opened, they fell, which makes me wonder if there are actually more speculators still in the market to be shaken out until we really get to some solid support levels, like a 28 for silver, maybe gold, 1450 maybe. I don't know. I want to see what you saw the levels of support being.
I was looking at 28. I was looking at 26 to 28 first. Obviously, it's got to get through 30, and the first thing it had to do is get through last week's lows, which is already opening below. We talked about oil. Remember, just because I like to flash back at things that I know that I experienced, and when that oil bubble burst, when it was at 148, I remember playing a bounce at 108 to 115, and then within days it was at 90, and obviously we know oil went to 30.
Yeah.
Silver from what, 49 down to 35, bounced to 37, 38, and now it's down to 33. So that's why I was trying to keep people away from getting too long too early. We could see 28 to 30 on silver. At this point, I still think money's going to be shorted until it gets in front of 31.
Short both or just the silver?
I'm trying to, like yesterday we talked about shorting the bounce in gold, which I hate, sometimes you got to change. I've been flat gold since that outside day on May 2nd. As far as gold short, there is some room probably to those levels that you just added, but I would say, maybe choose one. If you choose both, it's harder to handle because there's a lot of volatility there. So just choose one and then watch the other, and we'll see where we go. But I don't think you cover your shorts until we see a little bit, above 30, and then don't look long until we pierce 30, see the fear, see some more capitulation, and then we'll try and find a pivot bottom around that 28 area.
And what I think is also really telling real quick is that yesterday the high inflation readings out of the UK, out of China, didn't move the needle. That normally would have been a safe haven buying opportunity, especially as we're dealing with this Greek credit crisis, possible restructuring. They didn't go up.
Right. There's just so much to deal
when things don't go up when they should,
they go down. Exactly. That's technicals. You're learning.
I think that's a little danger sign for people to start looking at. So there you go.
And I agree. And at this time period, you have to just be more cautious. A lot of people just real quickly say you have to be somewhere. I don't say you have to be somewhere. I say you have to be safe. And sometimes safe is cash, because cash is king. So you're around to play another day.
Seems what people are doing. Seems what they're doing.
Exactly.
All right. Thanks, Scott. I really appreciate it. That's it for us for today. Happy trading on Thursday, everybody.
I'm Scott Redler, T3 Live. Follow us on the virtual trade floor. Come look at us in the chat. We'll help guide you through the market action. Tune in for the recap. Have a great day trading.